Struggling with research papers? Litrevu writes your research paper 10 times faster with no fake references, no all-nighters, and properly cited sources. Get 800 words free with no credit card required. From abstract to conclusion, everything is written step by step in sequence. Without further delay, let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for Litrevu, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Litrevu. Litrevu writes your research paper 10 times faster with no fake references, your ideas, and your resources. No fake references, no all-nighters, a properly cited draft that reads like you wrote it. You can start writing your research paper by clicking on Start Writing, and you can see how this amazing AI tool works. It gives us 800 words free with no credit card required. We can see in action, watch 120 research papers become properly cited introductions in real time. We can write our research paper perfectly, step by step, by using 3 simple steps. First, upload your sources. We can drop all the PDF files we want cited. Second, we will tell it about our topic. What is our research question and the angle of our research paper? Third step, get our lit review fully written, properly cited, and ready to use. Here we can also find different feedback from students and their honest reviews about Litrevu. Now go to the top and click on Start Writing. Then we will create an account, or we can also log in with our Google account. For this demonstration, we will log in through our Google account. This is our workspace where we can upload reference papers and then start writing our research paper. Here, we can add our source papers, drop PDF here, or choose a file below. We will extract key findings and citations for our report. We can also find our previous work below. We can also see and order our reference papers here. Now we want to upload our PDF files. Click on Browse PDF from our computer system. I will select 5 PDF files. You can select up to 100 PDF files. Once selected, click on Open. It takes a few seconds to upload the PDF files, so be patient. Once our PDF files are uploaded successfully, now click on New Report. From here, we can write our research paper easily and effortlessly. On the right side of the canvas, we can see a report draft, and on the left side of the canvas, we can see the report progress. It starts with introduction, then literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, title, abstract, and references. We can chat with this amazing AI tool and write our research paper effortlessly. First of all, it will ask, what is the main topic of your research paper? In the chat box, I will type importance of AI in schools and then press enter. It will ask a second question. What is the main research question you are investigating? Now I will type, how AI can improve learning in schools. This is my research question. Here it asks for any specific angle the introduction should take. If we type skip it, we'll move to the next step. I will type skip and press enter. Now it asks how long the introduction should be. I will type 1,000 words and then press enter. It will ask for confirmation that Litrevu generates a draft based on our ideas and sources, a strong and detailed starting point, not a finished paper. From here, we will mark it and click on Got it, let's go. Litrevu will start writing the introduction of our research paper. Once our introduction is ready, we can see at the top of our canvas our topic of the paper and then the introduction. Each and everything in the introduction is in a clear form. We can see there are citations also added, which makes our paper more attractive and more professional. We can see at the end of the canvas there are references that are auto-generated. Here are 1,200 words and 35 citations, which makes our research paper more clear and professional. We can also change the citation style of our research paper. Here are different types of citation styles available, but we will go with IEEE, and we can see our research citations are now in IEEE style. We can also edit the introduction part on our canvas and save it according to our needs. We can adjust the introduction by making changes directly. Now it asks, introduction is ready. Would you like to add the literature review? Here I will type yes, and it will start asking questions related to our research topic. We can answer each question one by one to complete our literature review section. Once it's done, it asks how long the literature review should be. Here in the chat box, I will type 1,300 words and press Enter. Litrevu will start generating the literature review of our paper. Once our literature review is added successfully, here we can see there are 2,300 words and more than 86 citations in our research paper, which means our research paper is almost ready. Now, we can answer each and every question of methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion one by one. It asks for data collection and all the important points related to our research paper. We need to answer one by one in a clean and professional way to get our research paper instantly. It asks for results. Here we can find our results section. Then we will answer the questions for discussion. Once we answer all the questions for discussion, we can see our discussion section also appears on the right side of the canvas. With the help of this amazing tool, we can answer one by one and get our research paper step by step completely done. Now on title, we can find a few title options. From here, we can select one title option according to our needs. For that purpose, I will choose the second option and I will type 2 in the chat box and press Enter. Now our title is set successfully. Now it asks for the abstract to highlight our research. Litrevu summarizes from the paper. Here I will type skip, and Litrevu will ask how long the abstract should be. Here I will type 400 words and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to generate the abstract of our research paper. Once our abstract is ready, we can see our research paper is complete. First of all, we can see the topic of our research paper, Enhancing Education with Artificial Intelligence Tools. Then we will find the abstract of our research paper. Then we will find the introduction. Here we can see our research paper has almost 7,351 words and 123 citations. Litrevu used 9 different sources to add citations in our paper. Now we want to download our research paper. For that purpose, click on Download Report. From here, we can download our report as a PDF document or a Word document. We can choose one according to our needs. For this demonstration, we will choose PDF document. It takes a few seconds to download our PDF document. Once our PDF document is ready, let's open and see the paper that we have written. With the help of Litrevu, each and everything in our research paper is awesome. It starts with the introduction, then we can find the table of contents, and we can find the abstract of our research paper. Each and everything in our paper is in a sequential form, which makes it clear and professional. We can also find citations in our paper. With the help of this tool, every student can create a research paper easily and effortlessly. That's how you write a complete research paper with Litrevu in minutes. No fake references, properly cited, and ready to submit. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.